You may have seen we have a promotion on our most popular non-surgical facelift treatment, HIFU, and I'm here just to explain a little bit how it works so you can understand if this treatment might be the right thing for you. So we have our layers of our skin and then we have our muscle. Then we have this layer in between called your SMAS layer, and unfortunately as we age that deteriorates, and when that deteriorates your skin and your muscle become detached. And that's what gives us skin laxity, especially in this jawline area, in the cheeks where we lose that volume, and on the top of these brows and we start getting more hooded eyelids. And what HIFU does is designed to rebuild this SMAS layer. So when we rebuild this SMAS layer, we're using high intensity focused ultrasound waves. That's what HIFU stands for. And when we use these waves, it stimulates this response to rebuild this SMAS layer, to knit that layers together. And when you knit those layers together, you're going to get that lift, that firm, that contouring of the face. It's actually a layer that they treat in a surgical facelift, but obviously we're doing it in a non-surgical way with no downtime, less aggressive. If you want that tight look, that is not what HIFU is going to give you. What it's going to do is going to give you a lifted appearance, a more rejuvenated contoured jawline, and overall younger looking skin. And people will look and think, she looks well, but they won't be able to tell exactly what you've had done. Whereas facelifts and things like that, there is time and place for them, but not necessarily the most natural look, and also not necessarily the right thing for every client. So with HIFU, it's a more natural approach, that lift and firm look. And when you're having HIFU, you have them 12 weeks apart. The reason for having them 12 weeks apart is because after your first treatment, it's then going to take 12 weeks for that collagen to give you that structural lift and firm. And then you'd have another one, and then 12 weeks later you'd have your last one. And then 12 weeks after that, you will see your full effects of the treatment. The reason why you have the 3 for the best results is because it will take us 3 treatments to target the majority of the SMAS layer. We can only do so much in one go. So over 3 sessions, you will have had the majority of that layer stimulated. And at the moment, we have an amazing promotion on, I will pop those in the description. And if you want to take advantage, there's lots of home care that you're going to get included, which are going to accelerate your results of HIFU. HIFU is one of our most popular treatments for that lifting, and if anyone came in and said, I'm bothered about my jawline, the laxity in my jowl area, or bothered about the lift of my forehead, the first thing I'd be thinking is HIFU. If you have any questions or you want a more thorough consultation for us to go through if it's right for you, just get in touch and we're happy to help.